015s, you think you know bats, right? Little furry things that fly at night, maybe a little spooky? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because the world of bats is way weirder, way more wonderful, and way more diverse than you could ever imagine. We're talking about bats that swim, bats that fly without wings, and yes, even the real-life vampires, 1545s. Let's start with this wild fact. There are over 1,400 species of bats on this planet. That's insane. They make up about 20% of all mammal species, and they've been around for a very long time, with the earliest fossils dating back over 50 million years. So they've had plenty of time to evolve into some truly bizarre forms. They live on every continent except Antarctica, from scorching deserts to dense rainforests, and they've adapted in some truly mind-boggling ways. 45-1-15s. For instance, have you ever heard of a bat that goes for a swim? Meet the greater bulldog bat or the fishing bat. This absolute legend lives in Central and South America. It uses its echolocation to detect the tiniest ripples on the water's surface made by fish. Then it swoops down, skims the water, and snags its dinner with its huge, hooked claws. It doesn't just dip its toes in, it can actually swim if it accidentally falls into the water, using its wings to paddle to safety. A swimming bat, who knew? 115-145s. Okay, how about this one? A flying bat, without wings. I know it sounds impossible, but let me introduce you to the lesser short-tailed bat from New Zealand. This little critter spends most of its time on the forest floor. Its wings are specially adapted to fold up very tightly, and it uses its strong wrist and thumb claws to scurry around like a mouse, digging through leaf litter for insects and nectar. So while it can fly, it's basically a four-legged ground animal that just happens to have wings. 145-230s. And of course, we have to talk about the vampires. No, not Dracula, but the 3 species of vampire bats found in the Americas. They are the only mammals that feed entirely on blood. But don't worry, they're tiny, and they don't suck blood like in the movies. They make a tiny, painless incision with their razor-sharp teeth, and then lap up the blood with their tongue. They even have a special anticoagulant in their saliva to keep the blood flowing. It's creepy, but also incredibly specialized. They're a marvel of evolution. 230-3Os. From the swimming bulldog bat and the ground-dwelling short-tailed bat to the infamous vampire bats, these creatures are so much more than just spooky night flyers. They are a testament to the sheer creativity and adaptability of nature. So next time you see a bat silhouetted against the moon, remember, you're looking at a member of one of the most diverse and fascinating groups of animals on Earth. And you've only just